We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT video, making it look professional and engaging. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop. Once you're there, log in with your OpenAI account. After logging in, you'll see the main interface. Now it's time to prepare your script. Use the text box to enter your prompts and have ChatGPT generate responses. You can tweak your prompts until the output aligns with your video's theme. Once satisfied with the script, open a video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or a simpler option like iMovie if you're new to editing. Import your recorded voiceover or use a text-to-speech tool if you're not comfortable recording your voice. Next, overlay this audio with visual elements. You can use screen recordings of ChatGPT's responses, stock footage, or animated visuals to make your video more dynamic. Add transitions and background music to keep it engaging. Remember to keep your video concise. Aim for a length that holds viewers' attention but provides enough information. Before finalizing, review your video to ensure everything flows smoothly. Adjust any audio levels or visuals as needed. Once satisfied, export your video in a suitable format such as MP4 for easy sharing on platforms like YouTube. Upload your video and optimize your title, description, and tags to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.